Namaste, I am Kubera Verma. I am a demo casting. Let us understand the furnace machine operation. So here we can see the main screen. Here we have input and output list. This is the loader up and down for manual operation. And here we can see there is temperature control options which are available. We can give the set value as 120 and offset is 10 degrees and preset is 122 degree. This is the current temperature inside the furnace. So currently, if the temperature goes below 120, the burner should on, but it has an offset value of 10 degree, which means that it will turn on at 110 degrees Celsius. And there is a time setting for on and off for the burner. So currently we have 20 seconds on and 0 seconds off time. It means that when the time off time is 0, it will continuously turn on. So this is the operation for temperature control. Let us see for the tilt of the here we can see this is the entire furnace which is going to furnace is going to be lifted. So let us come back to original position. So even once it reaches its home position, even if we press it down, it is not going to go beyond that position. And here is the hydraulic motor which is going to use the power for the lift, tilt and the door open and close. Here is the burner setup. Here we can see there is a blower. There is a blower which is continuously pumping the air. This is the gas connection. This yellow line is the gas connection which is going to come into the furnace. Coming into the furnace along with the air. So both combined, it will turn on the fire inside the furnace. Here is the metal output. The melted molten metal will come out from this section. The burner has started. You can see this is the lift motor. Lift motor which is going to lift the material into the furnace. So let us operate this. So this is the door. When the door is open, the lift loader will not open. So first we will have to open the door of the furnace to do the loading. The door is going to open now. So once the door is open, we are going to turn on the loader. The material inside the loader gets unloaded in the furnace by going up. So it can also come down to get it loaded back. Once it reaches the down position, it automatically stops. So this is about the demo casting furnace. So here is a furnace which is used for melting the aluminium at 1000 degrees Celsius, and this is how it is operated at demo casting. Thank you.